Namaste. Today I am going to talk about how to deal with elderly people. Elderly people are a huge number of segment, and as the quality of life improves, lot of people come into their old age. So this video is about the old age itself, because many people find it very difficult to interact with old age people. They get very angry, they get very upset, they get very abusive. So I am going to talk about how to deal with the old age process. First of all, old age can be divided into 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90. In the 60 to 70 old age, people will be active. Their five senses, which is eyes, ears, nose, mouth, will be very active. Except their hair getting grey or they putting spectacles, the rest of the thing will be okay with them. And they will be very communicative, and many of them will be very mobile. Now, because the main reason is you should be able to define the old age with people. If you are not able to define the old age with people, that is where the problem. The second set is the 70 to 80 period, where their physical strength goes down. Some of them have eye issue, some of them have leg pain, and many of them have become physically very difficult to manage. Many of them have problem with their legs, many of them have problem with their hands, many of them have problem with their ailments. Like for example, the diabetes shoots up, the blood pressure goes very high. They have a major issues into their physical health. The 80 to 90 period is a very difficult period. They almost become a child. They need somebody to take care. They need somebody to be there. They need a caretaker full time. They need a caretaker as a necessity itself, as a person. So this is the first definition of the old age across. The other important thing is between 50 to 60 or let's say 60 to 70, they don't require any kind of support. 70 to 80, they will require support partially, 50%. 80 to 90, they will require full-time support as a person. The next thing is the social pattern. In 60 to 70, they can go to relatives' house, friends' house. 70 to 80, they might not have any friends. They might not have gone out to the relative. 80 to 90, literally many of their friends and their old age people could have died. The other one is in 60 to 70, they can go to bathroom, go to toilet, wash their teeth. Now, after 75, many people require support to go to the bathroom. Many people require what you call it as attendant to do their daily work. 80 to 90, literally many people find it very difficult to do all these things. But the main problem with the old age is the what you call it as the 70 to 80 and the 80 to 90 period across as a person. In India, you actually can take care of elderly people, but there is a lot of emotional turmoil. They say you have to listen to elders, but listening to elders is a very big problem, because they say things which are very unpalatable. So first you should understand that elderly people can be manipulative, can be negative, can be emotionally stupid, can be intellectually very adamant, and their decision making style and their communication style can be abysmal. Now this is one of the biggest problem which is not spoken in the Indian society. Please understand, none of the old people are Gautam the Buddha or Ramana Maharishi or some great being of light. They are just very, very ordinary people who have ego, who have anger, who have not understood their emotions very, very clearly across. So, the first and the most important thing is don't try to portray as old people, as a very innocent people. They get hurt by the reaction about it. 90% of the sons and daughters want to really take care of the elderly people. The problem with the elderly people is they don't listen. They are very angry. They are very adamant. They are very comparison. They have a massive ego. They believe in trying to make two people fight. All these things are possible with the old people. So please get that into your mind before you try to advise anybody on how to manage the elderly people. For example, there was a man who was taking care of his mother-in-law and his mother. His mother cannot cook because she has leg issues. The mother-in-law says, "Why should I cook? Your mother doesn't cook, my sambandhi doesn't cook, so I won't cook." The point is they have a massive ego. They compare themselves with others. So please understand that old people are difficult to manage. It takes time, effort, will, strategy, sometimes being silent, sometimes ignoring them. A variety of things has to be employed in dealing with the elderly people. So please understand, elderly people are as difficult to manage like that of the children. And most of the elderly people in their good health time do not have a proper routine, which we would be talking about it at a later stage in life. So please understand, looking at the elderly people as some innocent animal like a rabbit and as if we are going there to torture them, stop doing that. Because you do not know what is the problem, what is the turmoil, what is the difficulty another person is going through in their life. Without understanding this, don't try to give advice. Don't try to tell to people as if that you should take care of your parents and parents are God, parents are this, parents are that. Stop trying to meddle in other people's life, because many of them are very good people. Somebody asked me, "Have you seen a bad man?" I said, "Yes, I have seen really bad people, real rogues. They will even put a bullet on your head so that they will get their next meal." So don't try to advise. This is the first thing you can do to any family. Don't try to advise. If some elderly people comes and complain to you, just listen and tell, please take care of your children, they know the best. For example, old people will play a game. They will try to, if two brothers are there, they will go to the first brother and say, "Oh, you are a great good person." They will put down the second person very badly. They will speak all the negative things about the second person. They will go to the second person and say the first person is very, very bad, because they don't want two people to be very united because of their own insecurity as a person. For example, I know one lady who will speak real rubbish about the daughter-in-law to the son. And about the son, she will talk rubbish to the daughter-in-law. And people are biased. Elderly people are biased. So they don't want to acknowledge, like they always feel my son is good, my daughter is good. They don't want to acknowledge other people's ability and their success across. So we would be talking about in the coming video about what are the different problems they would be creating in the old age for people across. So actually this is a video which is slightly out of the world for astrology, but it is very, very useful to people. So I would be talking to you about that, the problems and patterns of behavior in the elderly people. Thank you.
bird on a tree.